There's a bus passing right now, like, is anyone seeing this kind of like strange biotech tumbleweed from far away? My name is Leo Castaneda, and I was one of 23 artists selected to do a public artwork in honor of the World Cup. The piece is called Camoflux World Inventory, referencing the kind of virtual world that I've been creating. 16 years I've been developing the series around the level and boss structure in video games of progression and conflict. How usually you're moving through a game world, conquering it, defeating a boss entity, gaining almost like this constant cycle of progression through domination and destruction, and creating a game universe that is interdependent or sustainable. It reimagines those hierarchies. Going through this process, I wanted to do something that would recall the installation at the Biennial. The main showcase level in the installation, called Camoflux Incendio y Gapo, and it's a collaboration with my grandmother, who is a painter that lives in Colombia. She's 97 and is originally from the Brazilian Amazon. The last few years started fusing her paintings with my drawings and creating this whole kind of sci-fi mythological reinterpretation of her upbringing and the Amazonian mythology. But I didn't want to get like the same Amazonian collaboration with my grandmother and just kind of paste it around. Like, they basically gave us this map of the ball, and the ball opened up, and it made me think a lot of like the way that I've been structuring the world map inside the game, how there's like different kind of zones and arbitrary fabric in a way. I got the flattened ball and started overlaying 3D models from the different biomes that are in the game world. It would seal up and it would feel almost like this bas relief or like futuristic yet primordial like stone or like remnant from this biotechnological world. I have no idea like what kind of after images will stay in people's minds from having this around, or if it will just look kind of like a strange alien soccer ball, but we'll find out.